What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? It is Jason, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a major update, a major upgrade that I made to my Ford Transit cargo high roof extended van to make my life better, easier, and more enjoyable every time I go to or come from my events. I've been hit up about my loading process and just how I'm able to move around so much gear in a single van. So I thought I'd share this video with you because I'm super happy with this update, with this upgrade, with this purchase. And if you're someone that is looking to make your life a little easier and you have the means to afford purchasing this piece of gear for your van, I would highly encourage, I would highly recommend it. Now, for a long time, I've kind of struggled with the load-in process. I've used ramps that I've bought at Harbor Freight. I actually ordered a 10-foot solid aluminum ramp, which I was very, very happy with because it allowed me to be, flexible with the ramp and allowed me to use it on any one of our doors. But the ramp itself that I've been using is about 120 pounds. And an issue kind of came to the surface last year when I was loading myself late at night and I was bringing it over my head and I tore my bicep muscle. It really jammed me up. And that injury really, really put this as a priority item for me to think through and to look at. I firmly believe in efficiency. I firmly believe in process. And I firmly believe that if you can do something to make your life easier and you're looking to stay in this business for term, for like a long time, you have to do everything you possibly can do to improve the safety and the efficiency of your team, because if you don't, it's just going to be a long, hard road for you. Anyway, I've been doing this a long time and I've done this with every little piece of my gear. Loading has always been an issue, just in general. I've always used a trailer, but a couple of years ago, I moved to the Ford Transit extended high roof cargo van, and I absolutely love it. Everything is in one place. I can leave my stuff loaded, park it in my warehouse, park it in my garage. I'm always set up and ready to go, and I move around massive amounts of gear. So what did I do? Well, I invested in a fixed, installed, permanently installed handy ramp that is 4 feet wide and 10 feet long that folds back in to the back of my van. It's actually mounted to the frame of the van, or the body of the van. And both Bert and I had installed it a couple weeks ago. I got to now use it at a handful of events before DJ Collective and now after DJ Collective. And I have to say, I don't know what I was thinking not doing this a lot sooner. And I wanted to share that with you here because if you're a DJ or you're a musician or someone that works in the event industry, or you're someone that moves around a lot of stuff in a cargo van and you haven't looked at a solution like this, I would highly encourage you to do so. I mean, the thought of me ripping my bicep muscle because I was lifting a ramp by myself that I probably should have done with at least one other person is really like my fault. It was kind of stupid of me, but it really, really set me back considerably because for almost 3 months, I couldn't lift anything with my left arm. And even still to this day, I've noticed that my left arm, even going through physical therapy and going to doctors and really taking care of it, is now a lot weaker than it was before I actually tore my bicep muscle. Will it ever fix itself completely? I don't know. I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic, but that one little injury set me back. And here I am now a year later, still dealing with it. If you're someone that struggles with finding assistance or help at your events, this could be the perfect solution for you because I can now easily load or unload my van by myself with any piece of gear that I have without even worrying about injuring myself. Simply open up the doors, pull out the ramp, it hits the ground, pull it all the way wide. It can support up to 1,500 pounds. And once I'm done, it just folds back in. Now, the pro is it makes your life easier. It's just super, super simple to use. The con would be the cost of this is approximately 6 inches of cargo space in the back of my van. And there are a number of events that I fill my van all the way to the very back and we're packing stuff in. So in the instance of me doing a very large production event, wedding, or party, I may need to take a second vehicle. But the trade-off is I can load easily by myself, and I think that's a win-win all the way around. So although it could be inconvenient for my larger shows, when I do larger shows, I'm never by myself, and I can always have someone take another van. The pro is that I never have to worry about injuring myself again. So if you're a DJ looking to simplify your life, make your life a little bit easier, work more efficient, and protect yourself and your team safety thing, I would highly encourage you to check out a permanently installed ramp that are available on a number of different resources. I actually grabbed the ramp called the Handy Ramp. I'm going to put information on that ramp, and it's not an affiliate link. Just hook up to their resource in the description field of this video below. This video, along with all the other content on this channel, is geared to helping industry professionals become better, to work smarter, to just do bigger things and better things in their life. And if you're new to the channel and you've gotten this far in this video and you haven't yet done so, I'd love to invite you to hit that subscription button down below so you stay in the know and stay tuned to every time I drip a video out here on the channel in the future. Anyway, my name is Jason Jani. You have a comment, a question, or anything at all, throw it in the comments field down below. Be on the lookout for more content dripping right here on this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you real soon.